Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a full detailed tour of our balcony stateroom on Celebrity Silhouette. All right, so our room was located on deck 8 and it was room 335. So if you want to see where your room is located, if you go on the Celebrity Silhouette website and you click on deck plans by the ship, you can see where your room is located. Make sure to check to see if there's anything below, anything above. So our room was located towards the very back of the ship, as you can see right there. Did check out the floor plan prior to booking, so there was nothing above us, nothing below us that would hinder us from sleeping. So as soon as you walk in, this is what the back of the door looks like with a lot of the safety features. It has your assembly station if anything happens. This is what the bathroom looks like. It is pretty spacious. You have your standard body lotion. I didn't like the smell of it. Luckily, I always pack my own, not a big deal, but lotion was not for me. There is plenty of cabinet space. I struggled trying to figure out how to open this, guys. There's also a hair dryer located in there as well. They do give you plenty of towels. They also give you face towels. The shower was pretty spacious as well. As you can see, you do have your standard shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The water pressure was pretty decent, and there's also a light located in the shower. And my favorite, no shower curtains, so you do have the sliding glass doors. So this was the thermostat for the room. I didn't touch it. I feel like sometimes even just adjusting it just a little bit sets the whole room temperature off. Wasn't terribly cold the entire time, so that was fine. You do have a full-length mirror. You have a couple hooks located right there. Now, we did purchase the water package, and they will have that in the room waiting for you upon arrival. So these are 1 liter each, and I think we had 12 of them. So it's a lot of water, but I mean, we drink a lot of water. So to us, it was worth it. To you guys, they may not be, just kind of depends. These are the only outlets in the room. Keep that in mind. There's no other outlets, none. You will have to get creative with charging, which I'll talk about that in a minute. Over here, you do have the closet, has plenty of hangers, plenty of storage space, 2 robes, which we did use upon our stay. Also, fun fact, with this cruise line, as soon as you get on the ship, you can drop your items off. The room may not be ready, but you can come by, grab your room key, drop your items off, and not have to lug your stuff around until the rooms are ready, which I believe they were ready around like 1:30 or so. Over here, you do have the safe up top, and then you have the mini fridge located down below. We didn't touch any of those. I don't think any of those were complimentary, so we were good on those. Let's talk about all the papers that you guys will receive during your stay. So they do provide paper copies of literally everything. So we did pay for premium access, which includes Wi-Fi, a welcome party, and a few other things. I will go more in detail about that in my next video, which will be a ship walkthrough where I'll talk about entertainment, food, literally all the things that you need to know. So this was our premium access paper that had all the information on it. You will also receive a daily schedule. I will say compare this with the schedule on the app, because if something changes, obviously it'll change on the digital app, but it's not going to change on the paper copy because it's already printed. So make sure you keep that in mind. Because we paid for premium access, we were invited to the welcome toast. Now, I didn't see anything on the app or like any other invitations, but we did receive this piece of paper in our room. A really cool thing about this cruise line, they clean your room like 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, if you are not in your room, your room stewardess is in your room making your bed again if you slept in it, cleaning the bathroom, literally everything. And we got these chocolates put in our room every single night, so that was really nice of them. And the night before we ported at a new location, we did receive this newsletter that had a walkthrough of the port, a map, things to do there, local experiences, literally everything, all in a newsletter that was in our room every single day. Side note, if you do like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, because I will share videos of Nassau and of Key West. I already have a video of Nassau, so feel free to check that out, and that will also be linked down below as well. So over here, you do have the bed, the side table, and you do also have a phone in the room. Because we didn't have any wall outlets to charge anything, we did bring portable chargers, which we typically travel with. Now, fun fact, if you bring a cruise approved power strip, they will take that. That is not allowed on this cruise ship at all. Right above the bed, you do have more storage, which this is rare. I hardly see storage above the bed, but our room had that. There was also plenty of space located underneath the bed for your suitcase, and I have a pretty big suitcase, so that fit under there. The life vests are also located under the bed as well. So here's the balcony area. There's not too much to say about this. It is nice and we thoroughly enjoyed sitting out here. You have the 2 standard chairs and a table. I know they typically say that you don't necessarily use the balcony while you're on a cruise. We use ours, okay? We sit out at night, in the morning. So if you have the option to book one and the price difference isn't that bad, I highly suggest it. So before I forget, let's talk about the TV that's located in your room. So I mentioned the app, the Celebrity Cruise app. There's lots of papers that will be delivered to your room. If all else fails, check your television. There is so much information located on your TV. So there's safety information. There's also live TV, where you can see the live cameras. You can see your destination that you're at currently. They also have a wide selection of free movies that you can watch. And then in terms of ship information, they do have timing on restaurants. So if you click on all day dining, you can see what's open and at what time. There's breakfast information. Again, everything that you need to know about this ship, you can find the information on your television. Another cool feature is you can view the account information of everyone that is located in that stateroom. So when you click on account on the side, you will see everything that's been charged on your account. So overall, no complaints about this room at all. Again, it was very standard, but it did what it needed to do. It was clean. The location was fine. Overall, would definitely book it again. So if you haven't already, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with a friend, and stay tuned for my next video where I give you guys a complete ship walkthrough of the entertainment, food, activities, all the things that you need to know according to our experience with Celebrity Silhouette. So I will see you guys next time.